We are going to discuss two questions under the visual arts application. Right, one of the questions asks you to calculate and display the total price of all arts produced by grade 12 learners. Now, when you read a question, underline keywords. We want to calculate. We also want to display the total price. So eventually, we're going to display the total price. Now, it says all arts, and this is the arts table, but produced by the grade 12 learners. So we have to check if the grade is 12. So in your answer, because we're working with total or sum, you need to initialize it to 0. Now, if you're working with the data module, you will include with the data module and do the rest of your programming. So art price is 0. Table art, you're going to go to the first record. While you haven't reached the end of the records in your database, you're going to check the grade, the field grade, if it's equal to 12. If it's equal to 12, then we add the price to art price. Right, so you can just simply add the price to art price. And you've got table art comp.next. So for each record, you will check if it's grade 12, you'll add the price and go to the next record. And when you have finished running through the table, through all the records, you display the total price. It's formatted to currency. Right, any 2 decimal places, but this can be any value. There's a spacing that's allowed, the number of digits in your price. If the price is large, use something like 10 or 7, 2. So that is the total price. The next question we're going to work with is about the exhibition status. The question was, input the learner number and the new price. So there are 2 inputs. And then it says, and the exhibition status, sorry. So there's 3 inputs. Now the exhibition status is either true or false. So the question does not explain exactly how you should input the exhibition status. So let's look at what's done here. But the point is, you've got to update the price and the exhibition status. Those are 2 fields that need to be updated. And when you're updating in your database, you have to get into edit mode and you've got to post. Each record, when you find the record, you have to go into edit mode and you have to post. Now here's your input for learner number. You start as snum. Your price is string to float so that we get it in as a real number. Now the exhibition status was requested a yes or no response. Do you want to be part of the exhibition status? There's no sample run, so this is the way it has been done here. If the uppercase answer, assuming that it could have entered a lowercase, so you cater for both. So if your answer is a Y, then you set this variable here to be true. The exhibition status variable to be true, else it will be false. So if you want to be part of the exhibition, if they entered a yes, it's set to be true or it's set to be false. Now, according to the question, we have to find that learner because we're updating the price and the exhibition status for that learner. So we start with the first record. Remember, you will have the data module included here. You start with the first record, you loop through the records in the database. If the learner number is equal to the one that we're searching for, there's a learner number, so it's equal to that number. We go into edit mode, we change the price, we assign a new price to that field, and we assign the value true or false. Depends on the value we've captured here. True or false, and we post. So we edit and post only for this learner. And then you go to the next record. So while you did not find it, we keep searching and we go to the next record. When you find it, you edit and you post. Now, this loop can be terminated after you find it by using a search option. If it's found, while it's not found, and you're not at the end of the table, you can carry on searching. So you can stop as soon as you find it, but the question didn't request an immediate stop. So this program will work and check till the end of the set of records in the table.